morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendy and today's video is going to be a what I eat in a week. It is Monday, May 25th, so Memorial Day, and the first thing I'm gonna have is this chocolate peanut butter like nut filled Cliff Bar. These things have a lot of calories and are just like good for energy. I just filled up my water bottle. I've had like about half of this 24 fluid ounce bottle so far, and I'm about to go for a run. I've been going for like 1.5 mile runs every day, and then when I get back from that, I'm gonna eat my real breakfast. Back from my run, I did a quick workout and took a shower, and I just scrambled up 2 eggs with some spinach. I cut up 2 grape tomatoes and added some hot sauce, and then I also have strawberries and blackberries on the side. So I'm very, very hungry, and in all honesty, I might make a piece of toast to go along with this, but the 2 eggs and the spinach I think is much needed after exercising so much, and I just really like having fruit in the morning, like on the side, no matter what else I'm eating. Confirmed, I ate all of that food in like 5 or 10 minutes, so I just made some toast for myself with some butter on it, and I looked up how to pronounce this. This is the bread I got from Costco the other day. I think it's called focaccia bread. I'll put the word at the bottom of the screen right now, and you guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but I love this toast with butter. It just tastes so good, and I love my avocado toast, but I am out of avocados at the moment. So I'm at a Memorial Day barbecue, and I promise I'm keeping my distance from others, but I'm having a hamburger and a corn on the cob. As you can see, it's dark out. For dessert, I just had a giant square of brownie, not the whole thing, but I had a sizable brownie square. And just as a note, my goal every day is to drink 3 of my Blue water bottles. So those are 24 fluid ounces. I like to drink 3, which gets me to 72. So that is my goal. Today I had 2.5. So when I update you guys on what number bottle of water I'm at, that's what you know, is that 3 is my goal. So it is Tuesday. I'm kind of repeating what I did yesterday in that I'm having a peanut butter nut-filled Cliff Bar, and I've been drinking some water. I woke up at like 6 and it's already 9, so I'm pretty hungry, but I'm gonna eat this and go for my run just to kind of get it over with. For my breakfast, I'm having some focaccia bread toasted with peanut butter and strawberries cut up on it. I don't have bananas, so I thought I'd put strawberries on it, which I realized is basically just a PB&J with the ingredients split up. But yeah, normally I would put a banana on it, but I think the strawberries look pretty good, and the peanut butter is a nice like post-workout protein. It's a bit later, and I'm actually at a park to meet my friends and play Frisbee, so I packed a bunch of snacks. And so this is basically like lunch, I guess. I packed up some blackberries in this container. I hard-boiled an egg to perfection. I packed some almonds, and then I have a brownie for my dessert. And what I would have packed along with this, but it was just too much of a hassle, I don't eat it at home, is like a nice spinach, grape tomato salad, and maybe even I'll cut up some hard-boiled egg and put that in the salad, because that looks like it would be really yummy alongside this. Also, it's noon and I'm just now starting my 2nd bottle of water, so that's pretty good for me. Around midday, I like to have at least have drinking 1 bottle of water and be on my 2nd, if not finished with my 2nd. Provided by the lovely Tira.
But yeah, the other things is like, I'm supposed to arrange the percussion book for Chaparral.
I don't know if you guys could see that bowl very well, but it was like brown rice, water chestnuts, chicken, and broccoli. My friend Tira bought it for me. It was so good. So that was kind of like my main lunch meal. All those things I showed you beforehand were like my snacks, but I'm pretty full. I think it's like 5:30 right now, and I just finished the other half of it because it was a pretty big bowl. So I had half of it for lunch, the second half for like dinner. And funny enough, I am not much of a drinker in any form, and I only like sour beers. And Nick got these Sippin' Pretties, which are from Odell's, which is a brewery in Fort Collins. I'm having a beer, which I normally never have. Even when it's hot out, I just have like ice water. So last thing I had to drink was a beer. Things went downhill and I had half a Snickers bar. My friend bought it for me at a gas station. It's fine, it's behind us. I was gonna go home and have a salad. That didn't end up happening because it's now 10:45, but I am about to finish my 3rd bottle of water, so that's pretty good. As a snack, I'm just having some pita chips with roasted red pepper hummus before I make my salad. This is one of my favorite snacks. It's very, very tasty. For my lunchtime salad, I'm having spinach, broccoli, grape tomatoes with this raspberry vinaigrette light anise dressing. And I have some chicken I could add into this salad to make it a little more filling, but I'm honestly just so lazy and tired. 7:20 right now. I just made dinner, and I have these like corn tortillas that are mini and spicy chicken with cabbage, cheese, and I added some of this like cilantro lime cream and salsa. This is like a package that came from Costco and it's really good. I think I might have 2 or 3. Highly recommend if you have a Costco membership because it's very good. I just heated it up on a frying pan. For dessert, I didn't get a video of it, but I had one last brownie square with some strawberries and a small mug of milk. And that was like a really nice way to end my day. I love brownies and chocolate obviously, but I kind of like having it with fruit. It just like makes it so much better to me. And I don't think I had milk all day, so it was nice to have like a really small glass. And I finished my 3rd bottle of water, or I'm just about to, and I'm going to brush my teeth and floss. It is Thursday morning at about 8 a.m. and I just toasted an English muffin, put some peanut butter on it with some strawberries, and I have strawberries and blackberries on the side. 10:30 now and I'm just waiting to have a work meeting, and I'm having another one of these Cliff bars that are so good and a bit more filling because I'm still a little hungry and breakfast was a little late for me. These Cliff bars are like quite small, but as you can see they're filled with like a peanut butter or like an almond butter, which is really nice. So although it doesn't look like much, it really has a lot of energy to it, I find. Now it is about 12:30 and I'm gonna have some snacks because I'm getting a little hungry again, and I'm having a 1/4 cup of almonds, which I like to keep in this container, and probably like a 1/4 cup or a little more of Cheez-Its. Okay, like yesterday as like a pre-dinner snack, I'm dipping broccoli and my Stacy's pita chips in this roasted red pepper hummus. Very good combo and a good way to get vegetables in if you don't want to just have like a chip, you know? So I just got back from my longest bike ride ever, 8.12 miles, and I'm having this protein shake because I'm really hot and I can tell I need it. My stomach's like, I think a little hungry, so time to make dinner. But this is good for after my cardio workout. So it is about 7 o'clock and I'm really proud of myself because I finally got my crap together for dinner, in that I'm preheating the oven at 400 degrees and I just cut up these chicken tenderloins and I chopped all these Brussels sprouts in half, added some olive oil, salt, and pepper. And for the chicken, I'm going to rub it around with olive oil, salt, and pepper, and also 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning, just like kind of to marinate it or season it, and then I'm going to add some salsa on top. If I can link it, I'll put it in the description, but I found this really awesome like spicy chicken, like Mexican chicken dish on Instagram of all places, and Nick and I have made it a couple times and it's really good. I would never think to put salsa on chicken. So this is going to be my dinner. I don't have a carb because I don't have rice-a-roni, and I know quinoa is better, and I have some, I'm just too lazy to make it. So we're just gonna have chicken and Brussels sprouts, and then, I don't know, maybe for like dessert or something, I might toast one of my focaccia bread little slices because those are so good to me, and that could be my carb. But yeah, I will show you guys all of this when it's ready to go in. And for the salsa I'll be using for the chicken, it's just this smoky chipotle salsa, which looks pretty good. And I'll show you guys the chicken. I did olive oil. I'm gonna add salt and pepper, and then do a little scoop of salsa all across all of the chicken. It looks like a mess, but I promise it is delicious. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. Okay, so this is the finished product. I don't know if you can see this. It's definitely not the prettiest meal I've ever made, but I just tried the chicken and the Brussels sprouts, and the chicken is a little dry, which probably means I overcooked it, and our oven is super hot, so I kind of blame it on that. But the Brussels sprouts are very moist, and I think it's because they absorbed a lot of the fluid from the chicken, like chicken broth, I guess. And the taco seasoning plus the salsa is very good. So I'll link that recipe if I can find it. But yeah, this feels like a nice balanced dinner for once. And I definitely think I'm gonna make that focaccia like toast as a carb and also like a treat just because I love buttery toast. But yeah, I'm very happy with this dinner. As promised. Yum. Good. Maggie, quiet. It's Friday. I'm starting my day by boiling a pot of water, and I'm gonna add some lemon slices to it and have hot lemon water. Normally I just like to add like 2 lemon wedges and I squeeze them before I pour the hot water, and I love a big mug like this. I just like lots of fluids. Mr. Mackey's very talkative this morning.
Yeah, so go ahead and just start it, and then I have a free one I like that wine.
So I just got these really yummy, like old-fashioned types, and I'm gonna give half to Alex. Alex, you brought your donut. It is 1:45 right now, and I taught my virtual group fitness class from 12 to 1. I took a shower, and I'm having this chocolate protein shake. It's really tasty after I've been doing like high calorie burning workouts, especially for my job. But if you guys haven't seen already, I don't know if it'll go up before or after this video, but along with what I eat in a week, I'm also doing all my workouts for the week. So you should go check that out because filming them at the same time has been really fun and interesting just to see like how my exercise relates to what I'm eating. So today's been a donut and a protein shake, but we're on the up and up from here. So it's like 3:36 and I'm actually at a friend's house, but for lunch I have like some of the leftover taco salsa chicken that I made for dinner last night with the Brussels sprouts. And then I packed some strawberries. I just had some of these like knockoff Walmart Dots pretzels. And then I brought one of the nut butter filled Cliff Bars. So yeah, that's lunch. And then I'm hoping for dinner I can make that spinach, broccoli, grape tomato salad to go along with whatever I make for like the main meal. Okay, so I just left my friend Sasha's house and I had the brilliant idea to go to Sushi and get this amazing looking roll with ginger. It is just that kind of Friday, and I'm at Sa in Fort Collins. If you know it, it's very good for sushi. And I was waiting a really long time, and so they gave me a free drink. It's melon flavored. I'm so excited to try it. It's very spicy, but so good. And I love ginger with my sushi. And this thing tastes wonderful. So it is Saturday, and for breakfast I'm just having 2 pieces of toasted focaccia bread, and I'm also hard boiling 2 eggs. I need a lot of protein today and just like carbs for energy because I'm going paddle boarding here soon. And then I also packed snacks for today because we'll probably be on the water a long time. So I have a peanut butter Cliff Bar, I have this Tupperware of strawberries, and then I just made this salad that looks so good. I have my spinach, broccoli, grape tomatoes, and I'm going to add on top of it that raspberry like vinaigrette I like from Annie's. Put this on top, and then I can shake it all up and take this stuff with me to the reservoir. Mwahaha. It is Sunday morning, about 8:15 a.m. I'm having my typical Cliff Bar before I go for a run and then make breakfast. It is 12:15, so I've had a total fail with my timing of my breakfast, but it's because I went for a run and then went to work out. So I made a similar thing to what I made before. I have scrambled eggs with spinach, grape tomatoes, and then I have 2 pieces of toast that I was just gonna add these extra grape tomatoes onto. Okay, it is about 2:30 right now, and I am about to have a raspberry lemon strawberry popsicle. This is from Trader Joe's, and I'm so excited that I have these now because it has been like really hot lately, and I love popsicles. But that popsicle was fantastic. I would highly recommend getting those if you have a Trader Joe's near you. And also from Trader Joe's are these savory thin mini crackers. They're like rice crackers. I think I've shown them in grocery hauls before, but these are so good for like just a bit of that salty action, you know? Very tasty. This is like my afternoon snack. I think I might have a banana right now and then maybe also a nectarine. So it is 7:30 and I'm having a bowl of the Fibros because honestly, Sunday nights I either like go all out, have like chicken and rice and a vegetable, or make like pasta or something, or some nights I'm just like, I got nothing. I'm tired. It's a cereal kind of night. Yeah, it's okay to eat cereal for dinner, even if you're not in college anymore. Last thing I'll be having for tonight, it is 9:40, and it's this juice shot. Like I said, or I don't think I showed this yet, but it's this absolutely acerola juice shot. 1,010% your daily dose of vitamin C. Here it goes. It says it's made from cherries. Oh, not bad. That will do it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I really enjoyed making it. It was pretty consuming to like vlog every single thing that I ate, but it definitely made me more conscious of what I was eating and how my snacking habits were. So I hope you guys enjoyed. You should follow me on Instagram and subscribe. I want to do more videos kind of like food and exercise based, but also more vlogs. So I will see you in my next one. Bye.